Did you know that the ocean's depths hide a light show more spectacular than any fireworks display? Welcome to a world that glows in the dark, a world that sparkles with life's own brilliance. This is the world of bioluminescence, a natural marvel where certain organisms radiate light, painting the darkness with their luminosity. Bioluminescence, a word derived from the Greek bios, meaning life, and lumen, meaning light, is a fascinating phenomenon where living organisms produce light. This is not the warm glow of a bulb or the harsh glare of a spotlight, but a soft, ethereal light birthed from chemical reactions within the organism. It's a spectacle that transforms the deep ocean's abyss into a star-studded panorama, a nocturnal forest into a fairy tale setting, and a simple beach into a cosmic dance floor. Dive beneath the waves, and you'll find a world bathed in bioluminescent light. In the dark depths of the ocean, where the sun's rays cannot penetrate, countless creatures rely on this radiant language to communicate, navigate, attract mates, or confound predators. From the lantern-bearing anglerfish to the glowing jellyfish, bioluminescence is their beacon in the darkness, their survival tool in the mysterious deep. But it's not just the ocean's depths where this natural light show unfolds. On land, fireflies flicker like living lanterns, glow worms illuminate the night, and even certain fungi cast a ghostly glow. Each organism paints the night in its unique hue, narrating tales of survival, courtship, and life itself through their radiant signals. This light show is not just a feast for the eyes, but a goldmine for science too. From tracking cells to detecting bacteria, the applications of bioluminescence are revolutionizing our understanding of biology and medicine. And for those of us who merely wish to witness this spectacle, there are destinations around the world that offer front-row seats to nature's most captivating performance. So, buckle up as we dive into the radiant world of bioluminescence, nature's own light show. Imagine a world in perpetual darkness, where the only source of light comes from the creatures themselves. Welcome to the deep sea. Here in the deep sea, where the sun's rays can't penetrate, animals have evolved a magical solution: bioluminescence. It's a natural phenomenon where organisms produce light through chemical reactions within their bodies. It's not just a simple party trick, it's a survival strategy. Let's take the anglerfish, for instance. This deep-sea dweller uses bioluminescence in a fascinating way. A specialized lure filled with luminescent bacteria dangles from its head to attract prey. The anglerfish remains hidden in the darkness, and when an unsuspecting small fish gets lured by the glow, it becomes a meal. Then there are the jellyfish, the ballet dancers of the deep. These captivating creatures use light to communicate and coordinate movements. They glow in the dark depths, their bodies pulsating with luminescent light, creating an underwater ballet that's as enchanting as it is eerie. But why is bioluminescence so common in the deep sea? The answer lies in the unique challenges of this environment. In a world of eternal darkness, where hiding is difficult and finding food is a constant struggle, light becomes a weapon and a tool. Predator evasion is one such use. Many deep-sea creatures, like the hatchetfish, use a method called counter-illumination. By producing light on their undersides that matches the dim light filtering from above, they become virtually invisible to predators lurking below. It's like a high-tech invisibility cloak, only it's all natural. Prey attraction is another significant function of bioluminescence. Just like the anglerfish, other organisms use light to lure in their next meal. The bobtail squid, for example, houses bioluminescent bacteria in a special organ in its mantle. The squid provides food and shelter for the bacteria, and in return the bacteria emit a soft glow, attracting prey to the squid. Finally, there's communication. In the vastness of the deep sea, finding a mate can be like finding a needle in a haystack. So some species, like the flashlight fish, use bioluminescent signals to find and attract potential partners. In this realm of darkness, light is life. It's a beacon that attracts, a shield that protects, and a language that communicates. Each glowing creature, from the smallest plankton to the largest squid, plays a part in this living light show. In the abyss of the ocean, these glowing creatures have found a way to light up their world. They remind us that even in the darkest corners of our planet, life finds a way to shine. Their glow is not just a spectacle. It's a testament to the power of adaptation and the endless wonder of nature. So next time you see a glow in the dark, remember it's not just light, it's life. And in the deep sea, light is the key to survival. Leaving the ocean's depths, we find ourselves in a warm summer evening, surrounded by a symphony of tiny glowing lights. As we venture into the world of fireflies and glowworms, we encounter a magical spectacle of nature's own light show. These tiny creatures are masters of bioluminescence, using their light in fascinating ways. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are not actually flies, but beetles. They have specialized light-producing organs located near their abdomen, which emit a soft, enchanting glow. This luminescence is a result of a chemical reaction within their bodies, where a substance called luciferin combines with oxygen to produce light with almost no heat, a process known as cold light. But why do fireflies glow? The answer lies in their complex social interactions. Male fireflies use their light to attract females in a courtship display that's as romantic as it is scientific. Each firefly species has its own unique flash pattern, helping females identify potential mates of the same species. Glowworms, on the other hand, use their light in a slightly different manner. Contrary to their name, glowworms are not worms but insects in their larval stage. In a darkened cave or forest, their bioluminescence acts like a neon sign for their dinner. They hang from silken threads, glowing softly to attract prey like moths and other small insects. Once an unsuspecting insect is drawn towards the light, the glowworm swiftly captures it in its sticky threads. What's interesting is that both fireflies and glowworms can control the intensity and frequency of their light. They can switch it on and off, flash it, dim it or brighten it, creating a mesmerizing dance of light in the darkness. As we marvel at these tiny creatures, we realize that their bioluminescence is not just a spectacle for our eyes, but a critical survival tool for them. It's a language, a lure, a beacon, and a declaration of identity. In the world of insects, bioluminescence is not just beautiful, but a vital part of their existence. From the animal kingdom, we move to the realm of fungi, a kingdom that holds its own secret light show. Beneath the verdant canopy of the world's forests, a subtle shimmer draws the curious and the adventurous towards an ethereal spectacle. Here, in the quiet corners of the wilderness, an array of fungi reveal their radiant secret as night falls. This is the world of bioluminescent fungi, a spectacle of nature that is as rare as it is mesmerizing. Bioluminescent fungi are a group of about 80 known species that have the ability to produce light. Like their marine counterparts, these fungi create their glow through a chemical reaction. When luciferin, a light-emitting substance, reacts with an enzyme known as luciferase in the presence of oxygen, it produces a soft, enchanting glow. But why do these fungi glow? Well, that's a question that has puzzled scientists for years. One theory suggests that the glow is designed to attract insects. As these insects move around, they help distribute the spores of the fungi, aiding in their propagation. This phenomenon, known as sporulation, is a vital part of the life cycle of these fungi. Another theory proposes that the light serves as a deterrent, warding off creatures that might feed on the fungi. The eerie glow, it seems, could be a warning to would-be diners. The beauty and mystery of these glowing fungi have made them a subject of fascination for many. From the ghostly Omphallotus olearius, also known as the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, to the enchanting Panellus stypticus, known as the bitter oyster, each species paints the forest floor with its own unique luminescent palette. These fungi, with their ethereal glow, not only add a touch of magic to our world, but also serve as a reminder of nature's endless capacity for wonder and innovation. They show us that even in the darkest corners of the forest, life finds a way to shine. In the quiet corners of the forest, these glowing fungi paint a picture straight out of a fantasy tale. From nature's spectacle, let's explore how humans have harnessed this fascinating phenomenon. Bioluminescence isn't just a captivating show by Mother Nature, it's a resourceful tool in the world of science and medicine. The ability to create light, a seemingly simple act by certain organisms, has opened up a treasure trove of applications, from tracking cells to detecting bacteria. Scientists have learned to apply the magic of bioluminescence in numerous ways. One of the most significant applications is in the field of cellular biology. By inserting the genes responsible for bioluminescence into other cells, scientists can effectively track and monitor these cells' behavior. Imagine being able to see a single cell's journey through an organism, or monitoring how cancer cells spread through the body. This is the power of bioluminescence in science. By the same token, this technology can be used to trace the path of various drugs in the body. This has been invaluable in understanding how different medications work and react within the human system, leading to the development of more effective treatments. Now that's what we call turning on the light to health advancements. But it doesn't stop there. Bioluminescence also plays a significant role in detecting bacteria. By using bioluminescent markers, scientists can quickly identify the presence of certain bacteria. This is particularly useful in food safety, where detecting harmful bacteria swiftly can prevent foodborne illnesses. Light, in this case, is truly a beacon of safety. Beyond biology, bioluminescence has even found its way into environmental science. There is ongoing research into using bioluminescent organisms to detect environmental pollutants. These organisms can act as live indicators of pollution, their light dimming or changing in the presence of harmful substances. It's like having a natural alarm system warning us when our environment is in danger. And let's not forget the potential of bioluminescence in medical diagnostics. Rapid and accurate diagnosis is crucial in many health conditions, and here too, bioluminescence lends a helping hand. Researchers are developing bioluminescent sensors that can detect specific molecules associated with certain diseases, potentially revolutionizing the way we diagnose illnesses. The beauty of bioluminescence isn't just skin deep, it's a shining example of how nature's marvels can be harnessed for the greater good. It's a testament to the fact that often, the answers to our most pressing questions are found in the natural world around us. Bioluminescence, nature's gift, continues to illuminate our path towards scientific discovery. If you've ever dreamt of swimming in a sea of stars, bioluminescent bays might just make your dream come true. Imagine yourself surrounded by a radiant, ethereal glow as you glide through the water, each movement triggering a cascade of twinkling lights. This is not a scene from a fantasy movie, but a real, tangible experience that's part of bioluminescence tourism. One of the most popular destinations for this surreal experience is the Maldives, where the beaches transform into a sparkling spectacle at night. Here, the waves crashing onto the shore seem to be painted with strokes of glowing blue light, thanks to the bioluminescent phytoplankton. These tiny organisms, often referred to as sea sparkle, emit light when disturbed, creating an enchanting illumination that makes the Maldives' nighttime beaches look like starry skies. On the other side of the world, in Puerto Rico, lie the mesmerizing bioluminescent bays, or bio-bays, as they are locally known. These bays house dinoflagellates, another type of bioluminescent microorganism. When agitated by movement, they emit a magical glow, making the bay waters shimmer like a liquid night sky. Kayaking through these bio-bays is an otherworldly experience akin to paddling through a galaxy of stars. But that's not all. From the glowing firefly squid of Toyama Bay in Japan to the luminescent glow worms of New Zealand's Waitomo Caves, our planet is full of luminous wonders waiting to be explored. These destinations offer an intimate encounter with bioluminescence, bringing you face to face with one of nature's most stunning phenomena. Bioluminescence tourism isn't just about the spectacle, though. It's also about understanding and appreciating the intricate workings of nature. It's about witnessing firsthand how life can adapt and evolve in the most unexpected ways, creating beauty even in the darkest of places. So if you're ready for an adventure that's out of this world, why not plunge into the radiant waters of a bioluminescent bay or stroll along a glowing beach? Whether it's the deep sea or a tranquil bay, nature's light show is a sight to behold. So we've journeyed from the ocean's depths to the forest's quiet corners, exploring the fascinating phenomenon of bioluminescence. We've discovered how deep-sea creatures use this living light to navigate the inky blackness, attract prey, or deter predators. We've seen how fireflies and glow worms use their luminescence for communication, attracting mates in a spectacle of synchronized flashing. We've marveled at the rare and mesmerizing world of bioluminescent fungi, illuminating the forest floor with their ethereal glow. We've also learned how science harnesses this natural wonder, using bioluminescence in research to track cells, detect bacteria, and even illuminate the intricate workings of our own bodies. And finally, we've journeyed to glowing beaches and bioluminescent bays, where this natural phenomenon becomes a breathtaking tourist attraction. Remember, the next time you see a glow in the dark, it might just be nature putting on its spectacular light show.